will run, and the other node I'm going to make are data services. So things like Postgres, SQL database, and a file system, so they store things. All of those roles that you see there are available services that can just be assigned and unassigned, started in pretty much no time. So there you go. I bet you couldn't set up Postgres that quickly. Jumping back to the App Store here, I want to show you the components we're going to be using. We'll use Django CMS here as our sort of template for our app. I'm familiar with Django and Python, and going to open up its repository so that I can clone it in a minute, but just going to leave that sitting there for now. We're also going to use Jenkins, which is very, very standard tool for doing kind of build systems and automation. Don't need to change anything about that one, so I'm just going to go ahead and deploy it with Stackato. So you can see how easy it is to deploy an app if you just need the basic service level. So it's going to clone down the repository for Jenkins from the Stackato apps GitHub account. And then it's going to do some configuration here, make sure everything's okay. You can see it maps jenkins.stackato.nebula.com, so this is why you need those wildcard DNS entries, because it's actually assigning subdomains to each application that you launch, which is very, very convenient. And you'll see why that's helpful in a minute. And then it's going to go ahead and upload the application itself and go through the whole process of deploying that and staging it and then executing it. It doesn't take too long here. So we're at the staging phase now. And once that finishes, end of staging, once that finishes,